Press the bell icon and never miss an update from Farmer Knowledge.
Hello friends, Chinmay here from Farmer Knowledge. Here's a simple tutorial for inserting table of contents for your research article. So let's start. The first step is creating your own style. If you want to use the default style, you can skip this step, but I will recommend you to create your own style. For creating your own style, go to the Home tab and find the Styles section and click on the More arrow. From there, click on Create a new style. Let's give it a name as Article Normal. Click on the Modify button and make sure your style is based on normal. Choose the font you want. Here I will choose Times New Roman and size would be 12. Color should be black, and from the format menu I'll click on the paragraph tab. Alignment should be justified and the spacing should be 00 and line spacing is 1.5. Click on the OK button. Again on the OK button. Similarly, I will be creating 3 more styles for heading 1, heading 2 and heading 3. So create a new style. Name as Article H1. Modify. Now here the style would be based on heading 1. I want the font as Times New Roman again. And size would be 14. I want the color to be black. And from the format, I'll go to Font tab. I want the heading 1 should be all capital letters. So I will choose the all caps and click on OK button. Next is paragraph. From the alignment, I want it to be justified, outline level 1. Spacing should be 12 before and after, and line spacing is 1.5. Click on OK button, again the OK button. Similarly, style for article as Article H2. Style must be based on heading 2, font as Times New Roman, size as 13, font color black. From paragraph style, and alignment as justified, spacing must be 12, 6, line spacing is 1.5. I'll make sure the font is normal, is like all caps is not selected, and save it as Article H2. Now the final style is Article H3 for third heading. Style is based on third heading. Font same as Times New Roman 12. I want it as italics and color is black. From the format, I want paragraph. Alignment should be justified. Level 3. I want spacing as 6. Line spacing 1.5. Again, click on OK button. Again the OK button. Here we have completed the step 1. Now proceeding towards the step 2, that is applying styles. Now first select the first heading, that is introduction. Now click on the Article H1 style. Similarly, we will be applying the styles to the other parts of our document. So here I select my whole paragraph and give it as a article normal style. Next is heading 2. Here I will be giving it again as Article H1 because it is at the level first level. It is not a subsection under the first. So here again Article H1 style. Paragraph tab, paragraph section should be Article Normal. 2.1. Here the chemical instability is a part of instability mechanism. So I will give it as Article H2. I'll be doing it the same for the normal paragraph. article normal. Physical instability is again a part of instability mechanism, so it would be article H2. It is again the normal, article normal. Now stability influencing factors is my first heading, so article H1 style. Protein structure is my subsection under the third point, so it would be article H2 style. Here again the article normal style. Now this heading level, this is my subheading under the protein structure, which is under the stability, so it is the third level, so I will be giving it as heading 3 style. Similarly for this. Now miscellaneous factor is directly under the stability influencing factor, not under the protein structure, so I will be giving it as article H2 style. Now conclusion is my first heading, so article H1. Here it is my paragraph, and the reference heading is my H1. So here we complete a second step of applying the styles. Now proceeding to step 3, that is generating table of contents. So we will insert a blank page at the start. So click on the first line, first character, go to insert tab and click on blank page. Now go to the first page and click on the reference tab and click on the table of contents and choose the desired style you want. I will be creating automatic table 1. So clicking on that, you will get an automatically generated table of contents. Here's a bonus content for you guys for inserting table of tables and table of figures. So let's start by inserting a caption for each table and the objects. Click inside the table, go to the reference tab, click on insert caption, then choose the style label, that is table here. So I'll get table 1, give it a caption, click on the OK button. Now for image, click on the image, go to the reference tab, click on the insert caption button. Now from the options submenu, click on the label and choose the style you want. Here I will click on figure. Captions. Click on the OK button. Now I have done the similar things for every table and the images I have inserted here. Now let's create table of table and table of figures. Click on the first line, go to the insert tab and click on insert blank page. Now go to the first page, then reference tab, click on insert table of figures. Now from caption label, select table and click on OK button. For inserting table of figures, go to insert table of figures, caption label as figures and click on OK button. Hope you understood the process. Like the video if it helped you. If you have any queries, you can leave a comment below. Thank you guys.